Hey, what's up, everybody? How's it going? Just been a really lazy day today, and so I am going to, what is it called? It's downtown park here in Salem, but Willamette River goes through parts of Salem, so we're gonna go downtown and just do like a flight with a drone really quick. I know it's kind of a last second thing, but I'm gonna have some fun, fly the drone. It's gonna be a beautiful night for a sunset, so I'm hoping that part of the battery charges for the drone. So I've got the DJI Mavic 2 Pro, which is awesome. I love this drone, so it's been really good to me. I've been really liking all these DJI products lately, so if you have a chance, check them out. So like right now I'm recording on the DJI Osmo Action 4 camera, so they're really good. I love them so far. The color is really good, the battery life is really good, so yeah. But hey, let's get going and let's go fly these drone and check out the sunset on the river. All right, let's get going. Yeah, there's the drone footage. Hope you guys enjoyed that. That was a lot of fun just to get out. Got here kind of at a bad time though, because there's a car meet and then they started all doing burnouts and whatnot. And I'm not trying to get out there and get hit and whatnot, so but then they all kind of disappeared when they saw my drone trying to fly, which is understandable. But then like 5-10 minutes later, cops showed up. It's like, ah, crap. So I'm out there hoping that they don't try and bust me for flying my drone, but hey, whatever. I was doing it legally, so, but it was a lot of fun. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. I only got like 11 more So pass on to your friends and family and whatnot, and help me get out to get to this 1,000. It'd be greatly appreciated. So until then, hope you guys have a good one. Until the next video. See you guys later.